Mr. Chancellor, permit me to present to you the awardees of Best Researchers and Research Medals in various faculties. Dr. Lakshmi Dharmana, Professor G. Sundar Reddy Gold Medal for the Best Thesis in Hindi for the year 2020-23. Dr. Iskupati Karan Kumar, C.K. Gangireddy Gold Medal for Research in Humanities and Social Sciences for the year 2021-22. Dr. Ravitha